Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski, founder of the Lawyers Video Studio. In today's video, I want to take you through common objections that attorneys tell me when I talk to them about creating video. Number one, I don't need it. And I say to them, I guarantee that if you don't create video, your law firm is going to be obsolete. Why? Because video is the future of the internet, plain and simple. Another one they tell me is, I don't have time. Okay, well, what's going to happen to your law firm when your caseload dwindles? And you turn around and you look and you recognize that all the traditional forms of attorney advertising are no longer bringing in the types of cases and the amount of cases that you need in order to survive. What's going to happen then? Then you have to make the time and recognize that if you don't, what will happen is your law firm again will become obsolete. What else? There are attorneys who don't see the value in creating attorney video. Now, why is that important? Well, what happens is there is no other advertising media available anywhere that allows you to create it once, have it played hundreds and thousands of times, all for the same exact cost of zero. TV, radio, classified ads, display ads, none of that allows you the ability to do that. Also, when you create educational video, you basically can create an unlimited message. Now, you don't want to do that, but you create a message that's longer than 30 seconds like in a TV commercial. It allows you the ability to explain, and that's incredible, and no other advertising media allows you to do that. I have objections sometimes from attorneys who tell me, you know what, my clients don't watch video online. Well, that was an objection that my wife raised to me a couple of years ago when about 5 years ago when I started creating attorney video. She said, what are you talking about? Nobody's going to watch an attorney online. I said, you're wrong. And guess what? YouTube is now the second largest search engine in the world. Over 200 million videos are watched a day, and more get added every single day. That's an amazing statistic. So for those attorneys who think that people don't watch video and don't watch attorneys on video, I will tell you, you are 100% wrong. Okay, here's another common objection I get. Why can't I simply have a wedding videographer shoot my video? Why can't I get a TV station to shoot my video? Why can't I get a film student, a grad student, to film my video? You know what my answer is? You can. You can do all those things. You could save a whole bunch of money. But I'll tell you the big problem with that, and the primary problem is that when you put your videos up online and 4, 5, or 6 months later you're not getting any calls from them, you're going to pick up the phone and call me and say, Jerry, I don't understand. I have great quality video. Why aren't I getting calls? And I'll take a look at them, and in all likelihood, I'm going to find the problem right away. The biggest problem is that these people who are creating this great quality video, they are not trial attorneys. They're not people who are in the trenches helping clients every day. They don't know what content is going to compel a viewer to pick up the phone and call. The best that they can do to help you is, stand in front of you with their video equipment, turn it on, and say, go ahead, start talking. Well, if you say, what am I going to talk about, or what questions can I answer? In all likelihood, they're not going to know the questions that are going to compel somebody to pick up the phone and call you. That's the whole point of creating these videos, to get somebody to pick up the phone and call. And if your video producer, the person who's creating these videos, can't help you do that, well, I will tell you that you're at a disadvantage, because that means that the attorneys who are in my program will get a significant advantage. Why? Because they get my experience and understanding of what works and what doesn't. And that's it for today's video. By the way, if you have questions, what I want you to do is to pick up the phone and call me for a free consultation. You can reach me by calling the number below or sending off an email to my production manager, Kathleen at lawyersvideostudio.com. I'm Jerry Oginski. I welcome your call.